What's going on, guys? So today I'm gonna show you how Opus Clip and Chopo AI are two different platforms. There's a lot of difference between them. If you're chopping videos, if you do your podcast and all that stuff, and you want to make sure you get the best out of your podcast, interviews, and you wanna just use AI to chop it out for yourself, I'm gonna show you this best platform. I seen a couple issues from each one of those, so I'm gonna show you real life example which one I prefer and which one is good for you based on what you're doing. We're gonna start with Opus Clip. As you see, I have a pro edition, so this is a paid pro. This is the basic payment, 36 USD, and you get about 600 minutes, I believe. Go to YouTube, and then let's see Lami Yamal here. Copy this, and then I paste it here. So Opus Clip is gonna chop up everything, probably the intro as well, most likely. So you have to adjust it, right? So let me show you. So it's like a 1 minute, like 50 seconds. See here.
We'll look ahead to next week and our story on Lamine Yamal.
Okay, so we're gonna start where this guy is talking. So it's 12 seconds.
Now we'll look ahead.
So we go here, we go 12 seconds. From 12 seconds to, let me see where.
Sí, totalmente.
Okay, see, he finished talking, so it's 47 seconds. So we're gonna go here, 47 seconds. 47 seconds. By the way, this is probably one of the best player right now as we're speaking. You guys already know. Okay, so 47 seconds, time to pick your template. So usually you see how it says auto or clipping anything, clip basics. Opus Clip is already gonna know like this is a podcast. Pretty simple. I always keep an auto. I don't want to complicate anything. I just keep an auto and it give you the best, to be honest. I'm not gonna lie. This depends if you have a long like 2 hours or 1 hours of podcast and you wanna your shorts to be 30 seconds, a minute, 3 minutes, whichever the length you can go. And here you can quick press your template, or you can customize the template. This is the one of the template they customize, but always if you want something quick, you can pick one of those. So all you have to do, if everything is set up good, if you like what you see here, and now you can put a title about this video. I can go here. If you don't want to think too much, you can just say FC Barcelona's Lamine Yamal, or you can go in the description. So Spanish soccer sensational, Lamine Yamal speak with 60 seconds. Copy, and then I just paste it here. That's it. I haven't been typing anything. So now we go get clips in one click. This is gonna be fast because it's like less than a minute. That took like estimate 1 minute to 5 minutes to get that one clip. But if it was like an hour and something, it would take at least 10 minutes. Probably one clip because it's under a minute.
Story on Lamine Yamal, a Spanish sensation who ranks among the brightest stars in the soccer cosmos, and routinely pulls off feats like this. He may play in Barcelona, but like a global pop star, his appeal rockets around the world. His skill set as gleaming as his smile. And he's only 18.
The goals and the assists are all well and good, but you've made braces cool. Doesn't get better than that.
Sí, totalmente.
If you want to publish it, this is what you do. Click publish on social, and then it's going to give you the description, hashtags. So it's posting on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, YouTube. This is how easy it is on Opus Clip. You can just click post now, and it's gonna take about less than a minute to post them on all the platforms. So now if you want to schedule post, see, let's go back. Let's say you want to schedule them. You can just click here, select time, December 27, they say at 11 p.m. Okay, so now I'm scheduling it. Done. Quickly. Now you want to see Chop AI. This is how it look like. I took one of the Diary of CEO. I think it's $20 pound. So $20 pound, do the math. So it's about almost 30 something, somewhere there. This is like a project area. You go to create clips, top right, and then you can drop a video from your file, or you can drop a video YouTube and paste them here. And then you have this page here. So when you click here, Chop AI, you will see all the videos here. 97 clips. It's pretty complicated. It's not as easy as Opus Clip, but this is the best part of it, right? Let's click edit. The thing about this one, it will give you the best words out of the clip. You see all these, the one that's not highlighted, they're not in the clip. Stuff that don't make sense within the clip, they won't put them on. If you want to add those words, you can always just add them. Just click there, hold your mouse, and then just highlight them. Put the words in. Boom. Done.
Governments have an incentive to increasingly use AI to surveil and control the population. When you increase power, you have to also...
You see, it skipped these words and went direct to the most important words, right? So
The assumption behind AI is that it's controllable technology.
okay, this is another thing, right? You see, it started here, went all the way here, and it skipped all these words. So it came here. So these words are not important. It came all the way here. This is what Opusclip don't have. Some people, they want, obviously some people, they want everything on it. In this case, you have to manually just go on it and then do it yourself.
The assumption behind AI is that
it does have the music, and he adjusts the music based on the video and based on the tone of the person. Every music the AI gave you, somehow it just goes with the clip. The volume is perfectly done that you don't have to do anything. Opus Clip does not give you the option to do the punch zoom.
the assumption behind AI is that it's controllable technology, that we will get to choose what it does. But AI is distinct from other technologies because it is uncontrollable. It acts generally. The whole benefit is that you're going to do powerful strategic things no matter what you throw at it. So the same benefit of...
You see that zoom? That's like something cool. Some nowadays people don't really like some cool stuff. They just want direct message. If you want some cool stuff, you wanna run it professionally, cooler, more flavors on your content, this is the best. But if you just want direct stuff, just use Opusclip, to be honest. I like Opusclip in my opinion because it's very straightforward. So the wording stuff, right? So if you go to Opusclip, let's click this one, right? See, it gives you all the words in Opusclip. Posting it on Chop AI is so complicated. You have to be patient. It's extremely complicated, right? You see, on Opusclip, you just click schedule or post now, but here you have to download it on Chop AI. So you click download. It's not downloading on your computer. It's just getting ready to be posted. Like let me download first before you post it. So and then it give you two options: standard definition or high definition. Obviously, you want high definition. I don't know who would want standard definition. Now you click export. So it's just getting ready to be posted. So he said we will email you once it's done. Export can take up to 5 minutes. Go straight, grab coffee, and we'll email you when you're ready. You're not gonna do that every post. You may as well just sit there and wait, right? You can just say okay. So now see, this is high definition. It's already there. So now what you do, you can click post, right? So the thing I realized about this Chop AI, you can't really, if you post at 9 p.m. 29, like 4 minutes after, it's not gonna post. You have to go like an hour or the next day. But the best thing about Opus Clip, within 3 minutes, it's gonna go right away. But Chop AI is different. It's not gonna do that. It's just gonna, I don't know, something's weird about it. I think they're still working on it. That's why I prefer Opus Clip. Opus Clip do have the music option and the B-roll. They both have B-rolls and music and stuff, but you have to manually do it if I want to add music in this. So really, I don't really want to add it. It's a lot of work, but if you're patient, you can do it. But I like it this better. Let's see this guy. So let's go. So you gotta schedule this at least, let's say 10:26. Always put an hour. It can just go. If you schedule right now, post it right now, it's not gonna go, which is weird. So you always have to download it. I don't know why. It's a lot of different stuff. And if we go home, and the best thing about Opus Clip, the best thing about this is it gives you so much options. If it's Q&A, commentary, marketing, webinar, motivation, podcast, academic, all this stuff, you know, it's gonna give you vlogs, gaming, and others, charts, sport commentary. It's gonna give you all the options, but but these guys, they only have podcast. Literally, let's see, new project. So the category has here, it's only interview podcast and educational podcast. Basically a podcast: comedy, true crime, storytelling, lifestyle, sports. Those are all coming soon, so they don't have that. Music, you can put that on. So he adjusts the music and the voice based on the video, which is perfect. But Opus Clip, you have to manually do it yourself. So you let me know if you like Opus Clip or Chop AI. You let me know. You can still use them for free on both of them, but they always have a watermark, low resolution video, so you can always use it if you want. Thank you guys, it's been a pleasure. If you want to pick Opus Clip or OpenAI, go for it, but my opinion, Opus Clip is the best. Peace.